Autumn's fallen leaves can transform outdoor concrete surfaces into treacherous slip hazards. Textured concrete finishes offer a stylish, slip-resistant solution to keep families and visitors safe. Popular options include stamped concrete, which mimics stone or brick, broom-finished concrete, creating simple, cost-effective ridges, and exposed aggregate, revealing decorative stones for a textured surface. These finishes provide crucial grip even in wet conditions, reducing fall risks for all ages. Concrete sealers and coatings can further enhance safety and durability. By choosing textured concrete, homeowners can create beautiful, safe outdoor spaces to fully enjoy the season without fear of accidents. Don't let slippery surfaces keep anyone indoors this fall. Apex Custom Concrete specializes in creating safe, stylish outdoor areas that withstand autumn's challenges. For more information on fall-proofing properties with textured concrete solutions, contact Apex Custom Concrete today. Embrace autumn's beauty with confidence.